What's going on, everybody? It's Rich Lux in today's video, girl. Oh, honey. Today we're gonna be doing something a little more fun, a little more lighthearted. The trend of doing someone else's makeup tutorial is all over the place, but I decided to do something a little more unique. I'm gonna turn myself into Rich Lux. So if you wanna see how I got this fabulous look today, hang tight, we're getting into it right now. I had another video scheduled to go live today, and that was my box of crayons eyeshadow palette review, but it's not quite ready because, you know, I gotta do everything extra. So it's not quite ready. I wanted to do something that I could film really quickly and edit really quickly for you so that I could have it up for you today on Tuesday. And I was like, what better thing to do than to be doing someone else's makeup tutorial challenge? But I think I wanted to do it in a different way. So I thought, well, whose makeup could I just copy and see if I could just recreate it without a tutorial? And the first person I thought of was Rich Lux. If you don't know who Rich Lux is, he has a YouTube drama channel and he focuses on beauty video creators and does his drama channel. Now, before you get on me and be a Poindexter and unsubscribe, I do not agree with everything Rich Lux has ever done. I don't. I mean, but do I agree with everything I've ever done? No, I don't. I do find Rich to be a very lighthearted and fun channel, even though I don't necessarily agree with everything that he chooses to do. I also have a lot of respect for Rich in that the branding on his channel, if you've never seen it, is very, very good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a little clip of one of Rich's video intros right now so you can kind of see what I'm saying.
Not bother at the house. What's going on, everyone? It's Rich Lux in today's video. Oh, honey. Guess what? Okay, so if you like the video, smash that like button, comment, rate, subscribe. If you don't like the video, send it to your haters. When they watch it, they lost 10 minutes of their life they'll never get back. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Bye. Love you so much.
And this is the thing, is I find myself saying some of these things randomly. I'm like, clock at the house, and you know, in today's video, girl, like I find myself doing these weird things because Rich's branding is so incredibly strong. And I admire him for that, for coming up, you know, out of the gate. Well, maybe not out of the gate, but he came out strong with all of these things that make Rich rich, that are different from every other YouTube channel. And it's really hard to be unique. So in that way, I definitely admire him. And plus, I just wanted to see if I could do this makeup look. So this is the look I'm going to try to recreate today, which is pretty much Rich's typical look. He changes up his lid color. You know, sometimes it's pink, sometimes it's purple, but I thought the blue would be really, really fun. I could also show you the box of crayons palette a little bit, even though the full review, hopefully if I can get all the pieces done, will be up on Thursday. I did 4 wear tests, so it's, you know, it's taking a little bit of work. So let's go ahead and jump in. Rich always wears a very full coverage foundation, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. This is not my favorite, but it does provide a more full coverage look, and that's what we're gonna be going for Rich's look. I'm not even gonna put on any primer on because I am not planning on keeping this on for more than, about 15 minutes. I'm not gonna worry about concealer today because we're gonna cover all of that up with other makeup, so I'm not worried about that part. Rich always seems to have a little bit of a luminous look about him, so I'm not gonna set this with powder, I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay, so let's now go into the brows. Now Rich has very dark brows, so we're gonna be using my Chrisanne Ann Cosmetics Brow Pomade, which is a really, really good comparison to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade, but it is much less expensive. We actually kind of have similar brow shapes. His are just a little bit bigger than mine. I'm feeling very Groucho Marx right now. I feel like the most important thing to recreating Rich's look is a white crayon. The NYX Pencil and Milk is what I'm assuming that he uses, and we're gonna use that today. And it looks like what he does is he just puts it kind of in a curve around his eye and then triangles it down. Let's start with that. This is so fun. And then we're gonna curve it up and around. And he gets it right up to his lash line. Look at the house, girl. Now the fun part is going in with the blue. He's got it all over his lid. Oh, look at that. Bam. And he also carries it up and over into the inner corner. He almost barely has any of the white showing, so cover up a little bit more of the white up here. And the same thing on the other eye. Now he's got it down on the lower lash line, but he doesn't go all the way. He goes like 3/4 of the way. So let's do it. Now what really pulls this together is the eyeliner. My Epic ink liner, my baby. I hope I don't get too much white on it. His cheeks are much rounder than mine. I think I might have gone down a little bit too far here. Okay, well we're just gonna go for it. This is so fun! Never did I expect to be doing this right now. This is fun though. Looks like it's a little bit thicker at the top here. I don't know if that's intentional or what, but we'll make it a little thicker. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. There we go. Okay, make it a little thicker on this side to match. That side went better. So my friend Nancy had sent me these for my daughter. These are mermaid nail crystals. And I'm just gonna take these guys right here and we're gonna stick them. I don't know if they have enough glue on them to stick. I don't think they do. We're gonna have to use some lash glue. Or should we use the big ones? Nah, let's use the big ones. Let's go for the gold. I bought these at Spirit at the end of the holiday, like Halloween season. So they were $6 original price. So I think I paid like $2 or something for these. And I was like, I don't know when I'm gonna use these, but I just want them. They're so cool. And they're very, very rich. They've got the holographic strips in there and yes, it's happening. It's happening. The lash band is really thin, so I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on real quick. As I'm trimming these lashes, I'm sitting here thinking, I don't think Rich probably trims his lashes because they always seem so huge, but we're gonna trim the lashes anyway because I already started and I can't go back. I'm hoping these are dry, my little gemstones, so let's try it. Hopefully they're dry enough. Oh yeah. I don't know how he keeps these things on his face because this is not comfortable. I definitely don't enjoy the way that that feels. While we're waiting for the lash glue to dry a little bit, let's go ahead and put on some pink lips. This is Hourglass's shade in Leader. This is their girl line. I don't think I've ever used this, ever. This I got at Generation Beauty and I didn't pay for it because I never would have bought this color, but I saved it because I wanted to try out this formula and I just haven't gotten around to trying it. Yes, this is shaping up nicely. You know you're gonna try this. You know you want to. Lash number 1. I think I might have let it dry too long. They're not sticking now. Darn, man. Let's try the other one. Why? I let the lash glue dry too long. Darn! I'm purposely not going to color my natural lashes because I don't think Rich does, so I'm not going to do it either. I'm pretty sure in this video, Rich has a little bit of silver glitter on his lips, so I'm gonna use the Lit Glitter. This is in the shade Champagne Wishes. I think his is silver, but I think this is the closest that I have to silver. Ooh, I like that. That's actually really pretty. All right, let's go see what the kids think. All right, Lila, you ready to see my makeup?
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think? How'd I do?
Good job.
Do I look like that guy? Do you know what his name is? What was his name? Do you remember?
Rich Lux.
Yeah, Rich Lux. Do you remember any of the things that Rich says?
I'm not gonna say that, Mom. It's weird.
I agree. But do you think I did a good job?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Say it.
Huh?
Mommy say it.
Say, in today's video, girl.
The other one.
Clock at the house.
No.
You say clock at the house?
That's weird.
I agree. It is weird. Let's go see what John thinks. I'm gonna go down and see. Okay, see if I can turn some lights on. Okay, can you turn the lights on in there for me, Lila? Turn the kitchen lights on. All right, what do you think of Mommy's makeup?
Pretty.
Pretty? That's all you have to say?
Yeah.
I look pretty? That's it, huh? Cat was playing in the paper bag. That was anticlimactic. Say clock at the house.
No.
Sam, say clock at the house. Here, let's see what Daddy thinks. Okay, let's go see what the husband thinks of the makeup. He's working on our adventure van. We're gonna be taking this summer on a road trip. Hi, babe.
What are you doing?
I'm filming a video. I wanted to see what you thought of my makeup look. What do you think?
Dark.
Clock at the house.
Yeah.
How do I look though? Do I look all right? How'd I do?
I feel like you did it better.
Really? You think I did Rich Lux better than Rich Lux?
I don't know.
All right, say clock at the house.
Clock at the house, girlfriend.
You're
You're a hot mess right now.
Look, I got the hollow lashes on. And I got the gems on my cheeks.
Yeah, I feel like you did it better.
Well, thank
I
you.
don't know.
I think you're biased though because we're married.
I don't know, man. Rich always looks like a hot mess. You are on.
I know.
You are just hooked up.
I am. Well, thank you for your input. I appreciate it.
Fab.
Thanks. Good luck on the adventure van.
Yeah, good luck on the video.
Thank you. Oh, my little bear fell over. There you go, little guy. It's not a bear, it's a pig. But I don't think this video is good without the pig there, because there's like a big space. All right, my tiara keeps flopping. I had so much fun making this video. I feel like me and a lot of other YouTubers that I talk with all the time, sometimes we take YouTube a little bit too seriously, and I'm definitely guilty of this. This video really helped me to not take YouTube super seriously, and I thank Rich for being an inspiration for that, because this really was so much fun to film. I had a great time, so thank you so much for watching. Oh, wait, let's do it the way Rich does it. Okay, all right. If you liked this video, smash that like button, and if you didn't, send it to your haters so they'll lose 10 minutes of their life they'll never get back. Thank you again so much for watching. Mad love to you, and I will see you in a video soon. Bye!